None of us do. We'll figure it out.
Kai,
Except for, yeah, Kai and,
No,
I trust Kai more.
I don't trust anybody.
He seems more wise.
Remember, if you see a statue, don't look at it.
Yeah, I can hear them.
Okay, so look at it.
How them see me?
Why is his sensitivity so high?
I have no idea.
Man. Yeah, I can hear them.
They just
How them
changed it.
see me?
I'm doing
Why?
that.
Well, it's here.
That's a bit better.
Control, this is Agent Oldwood. I need a request to open up cell 311.
One of y'all should stand here.
No.
Nice to meet you. I'm kind of new with that
get
bat
it.
again.
Sir,
I'm gonna
I
be
will
all
follow
like,
you.
"Hey, ow."
No,
So
let's
that
stand there.
kind of hurts my feelings.
I am
Like,
following
maybe
the
you don't even
person.
want me here. Sweet,
back.
I'm open to new things, I guess.
Level C30.
What the?
4. Clear.
No.
I am.
I haven't seen any good movies lately. Because of all the garbage.
Hey guys! Wait up! Wait up!
Sure, I love doing anything.
I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath.
Sweet, I'm open to new things, I guess.
I'll fix this.
Sweet,
Okay.
I'm open to new things, I guess. Sweet, I'm open to new things, I guess.
Object guy.
By the way.
I'm open to new things, I guess.
Oh, and by the
Don't
way.
you dare!
Why are you so mad at me?
Stay away! Stay away!
There seems to be a problem with the door control system. The doors are responding to Please maintain direct contact with SCP-103.
No. No. Whoa.
Okay.
I'm Serial Designation Ed.
Pablo.
Nice to meet you.
Oh.
I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. It's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible.
So are we going through the door or not?
Tell you that.
What's through this door?
Okay.
Alright, what's happening, people?
No. Oh my god.
Folks back home are going to probably stack me to
Close
death for
attention.
Oh, hello.
Close.
Please don't you dare!
Yeah, the door's locked. I want to go through the electrical thing, but you gotta time this right. You gotta stay on the
I'm
very
gonna go left.
Have anyone around here I
Stay
can
on the very edge of the
murder?
Yes, I'm pretty...
What the? How did I die? What?
We just got our next
You know how-
SCP-173.
I'm
AKA
alive.
the
What?
Peanut Man.
Yeah,
We just got our next...
What's that sound?
you gotta make sure that 2 of us at least are watching.
Hi!
I wanna get...
Who's that?
Yeah, stay on the very edge of it and then run when you see an opening.
So you gotta exit?
Yeah.
You know how
Oh, you all made it. Yeah, I got a level 1 key card.
Do you?
Yeah, I got a mask and a clipboard. There's a storage area over here.
We need to find that room that we can make, we can turn that level 1
We can make it into a level 5. It's just really
I can finally keep... No, cards, just batteries. Just batteries.
Damn, don't take everything.
I got a document.
I don't die anything.
Peanut Man's in here. What's your
Man.
He's nuts.
We're just gonna leave him, guy.
Sure, I love doing this.
Alright,
Okay, I'm at the door.
man.
Y'all
That
can
sounds
walk
bad.
in.
We're just gonna leave him, guy. Alright. Just mugging them.
Everyone's screaming.
Let
me out! Let me out!
All like, oh hey, ouch! Please don't do
hi,
that.
Peanut.
Because it kind of
Hi,
hurts my
Peanut.
feelings.
Hello.
It makes me feel like maybe you don't even want me here.
Okay.